let's learn how to remove the sky from an image in Photoshop in this quick and simple tutorial. With the image open in Photoshop, release the lock on the background layer by clicking. That will turn this into a layer. Now double click the layer. With blending options open, come to Blend If and select blue. On the current layer, shift down the marker to start removing the blue from the image. Use Command or Control plus or minus to zoom in or out, and use the hand tool to scroll across to look at different sections. This slider on its own is quite harsh, so hold down Alt or Option and click to split the sliders in half and give you two options. Now you can control the intensity of the transparency using both the sliders. When you're happy, press OK. Press Command 0 to see the image full screen. You can better see the sky removal by adding a new layer by clicking New Layer. Click and drag this layer underneath the original layer. Use the Paint Bucket tool to add a fill color. Click on the canvas. And again, you can use Command or Control plus or minus to zoom in. Use the hand tool to scroll across to certain areas, and then you can double click this icon here to go back into the blending options. From here to continue to play around with both the sliders until you're happy that the sky has been removed, and press OK. And there you have it. This simple trick that you can use with blue skies can save you potentially hours of time trying to use selection and lasso tools to remove the sky. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.